another episode of That's Just How We Talk New Year Special. Actually, जब हम ये रिलीज करेंगे सारे लोग छुट्टी पे होंगे, कोई घंटा नहीं देखेगा ये एपिसोड. But we figured, क्या पता?
अपनी छुट्टी वाले लोकेशन से लोग ये देख रहे हैं.
Wow. Okay. No, so New Year's, actually last year I remember around New Year's we were in Sri Lanka and right, we had gone there. And at that time, I remember we had made some resolutions.
Oh my God, time has passed.
You remember? It genuinely feels like fucking just last month.
It actually feels like it was just now that we were sitting on the beach with our friends and making these resolutions, and now it's been a year already.
It's been a year already. So it's been this year, and I feel like we say this every year, and I feel like as we go older, हमें हर बार ये लगता है कि भाई this year तो has flown by.
There is some reasoning behind this.
Really?
As we grow older, this passage of time बहुत छोटा-छोटा होने लग जाता है.
Really?
हाँ, I think if I'm remembering this correctly, so let's say when you're 5 years old,
correct,
you have only 5 years behind you.
Yeah.
So it feels like a long time. But now when you are like, we are 30, we have 30 years behind us.
Correct.
So this 1 year as a fraction of my entire 30 years feels like it's a very small percentage.
Got it.
So I think that plays with our mind and it makes us feel like time is passing by so quickly. जबकि ऐसा
कुछ होता नहीं है. No, but I remember when we had sat down, and so I am not a New Year resolution person.
But you made some resolutions.
We made some
resolutions.
Remember?
I don't remember.
I remember some of those.
Maybe I don't want to remember.
You don't want to remember? I remember some. I remember the ones that I have not fulfilled.
Which were?
So for example, one I thought I will spend more time with parents this year compared to the last year. I have actually ended up doing that, but not as much as I would have liked to.
But I have seen you consciously try to make an effort to spend more time with them.
Yeah, so but again, from a New Year resolution check, if we had to do, उस point of view से मैंने नहीं किया है. There was also some financial goals that me and my friend had put down. Who actually I should call him and see if he has managed to hit that or not, which we have not hit, but that's fine, that's okay. But I think the one big thing that we ended up doing this year was I think we ended up like putting ourselves out there for the first time.
It's the year that's just how we Wanna Talk was born.
That's just how we talk. You have forgotten our own podcast name.
Sorry.
That's just how we wanna talk. Wow. Are you here? Oh my fucking God, dude. Anyway.
Listen. अभी तुम टाइम देखो 6 बज गए शाम के, हम सुबह के 11 बजे से लगे हुए हैं. मैं हो गई हूँ tired.
Okay.
So that's how I wanna talk. So
okay,
that's
fine.
how I wanna roll.
Okay, bro.
And that's just how I talk.
Okay, bro. So this year, I think
I can't believe
you have forgotten. I can't believe it, man.
Maybe season 2 can be called That's How I Wanna Talk.
Season 1 या हो नहीं रहा है.
मतलब next year, Jan में.
हाँ. So I think so that way from a purely new things that we ended up doing, I think
This has been an iconic year.
Wow. If you had to define the year for you, like how was this year for you? What made it good? What made it bad? Anything?
How was this year for me? I think the year was so fast. I think I don't remember a lot of the resolutions I made, but I feel I have worked towards streamlining my life a lot this year as compared to how I was last year. I think I have been able to cut off my distractions. Of course, there are still some. I have been able to I have worked out more. I have read more.
Yeah.
I have focused on my career more. I have also, in my relationships, I have also realized who are the people who I want in my orbit and who are the ones who I want to keep a safe distance from. I have 100% worked on my emotional health, especially in terms of drawing firmer boundaries. Last year I was a mess. This year I think I worked on that also.
And you started building your practice. Which
I started building my practice. I'm still continuing to study.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think, and then we've done this, and I think I've had a lot of fun doing this with you. I remember I was apprehensive when you first pitched this to me कि हम podcast करते हैं, हम बात क्या करेंगे यार? हम क्या बात करेंगे? मैं क्या ही बात करूँगी? And I had no idea मैं इतना बात कर सकती हूँ कि मैं चुप ही नहीं होंगी.
Everyone knew. everyone around you, including me, knew कि तुम चुप नहीं होगे.
If there's one thing
तो
I
मैं
can...
mic चाहिए and Bubu's gonna start. That we were all confident in.
Guys, today in the morning, so yesterday रात के 3 बजे तक हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि हम आज क्या करेंगे, क्या बात करेंगे, because it's been so busy that we've honestly not gotten the time
To work on the run order.
of the pod. तो हम 3 बजे सोए, हम सुबह हम उठ गए, मैं उठ गई 8-9 बजे, एंड गुरसिमरन इज लाइक आज तो मैं 11 बजे से पहले उठूंगा नहीं, बिकॉज लास्ट 1 week he's been very busy with the edit of The Nation Wants to Guess.
Yeah.
तो ये सो रहा है और मैं आ गई बाहर बिकॉज द टीम वाज आउटसाइड एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके लेट्स मी गो टॉक टू देम, चिट चैट विद देम, एंड मैं आ गई बाहर और हम मजे में बातें कर रहे हैं, हम शाहरुख खान डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, हम खाना खा रहे हैं, हम जनरल बिचिंग कर रहे हैं, गॉसिप कर रहे हैं. सडनली गुरसिमरन मुझे बुलाता है, स्वीट नींद में आधी. आई गो कम इनसाइड द रूम एंड ही इज लाइक स्टॉप टॉकिंग, यू विल गेट टायर्ड, वी हैव टू शूट 3
I was
episodes.
fucking right. I was right. What did I fucking
Stop
tell you?
talking. You reminded me of my TV serial producer.
Yes.
When I was doing my TV show, the producers would say, after the shoot was done and we were doing an outdoor location, as soon as the shoot would get done, इनको रूम में भेजो, बातें करने चालू कर देंगे.
Yes.
सोएंगे नहीं ये लोग, रूम में
Yes.
भेजो इनको, रूम में भेजो, एनर्जी
Yes.
बचाओ, एनर्जी बचाओ.
And as you can see, I was absolutely right because you have been tired now because podcasts also are
Do
tiring.
I look tired to you?
Wow. The audience will decide. The audience will decide.
मैंने अपना आंसर तो दे दिया ना, अच्छा खासा. तू दे अब.
My year, like I said already, has been also, it's been really nice. One, I think I was in the last 4-5 years because I've written so many films and written so many shows, and I felt like so much of my life has over the last 4-5 years been dependent on other people and other people's approval and other people's कि हम green light करेंगे, हम नहीं करेंगे.
Yeah.
And I felt, and I'd been feeling that, you know, I want to do, I'm capable of doing so much more.
Which
and
you
again,
are.
and I don't want to make this like pod about, oh my God, your year is only great because you are productive. That's not the metric I'm trying to make. I just feel like emotionally over the last 3-4 years, I had been doing stand-up. I was really happy with it. I'm really happy to be off, you know, do my own thing and be behind camera. But I was starting to get so sick of, man, I feel like I can do so much more. And why am I letting my life be dictated by other random people who have a set idea of, in their head, of what I am able to do?
And you're talking about your long form writing
And long form
projects.
writing. And my thing is, no, even long form writing, even otherwise, even if you meet stand-up producers and all, and I would be like,
अच्छा, stand-up also.
stand-up also, I really, and anyway, I do it at a small scale. So I felt like this year, I finally was like, the fact that I got to make this little small thing with you, which is really fun to do.
Like a baby. I got to make this small little thing with you.
with you. Okay then. And the fact that we, you know, I think this year we sort of, so again, instead of relying on other people, I felt like this year I took some of that decision making back into my own hands and not rely on other people and just sort of back myself a little bit, saying, hey, I really want to do this. One, I think working with Rohan and sort of discovering a format that I really give a shit about putting out there, and I'm like, nahi, ye hum khud hi karte hain. So
Like, I have seen you guys work
Ah.
so hard, you and Rohan, Aman, Shimoy. It's so inspiring. Every joke, it requires so much research. So to come up with all of that, and then it's not just to find those news items, it's to build a show around it, to build your jokes and lines around it. It's hard work.
but I feel like honestly it's just bare minimum. I mean, we've been fucking doing, I feel like
I think enough will never be enough for you. And then you say, I don't want to talk only about work, and I don't want the year to only be about...
I no, I feel like emotionally I feel it was.
Yeah.
Part of it was also to tell myself I can still do it.
Are you
right?
proud of it?
Yeah, I'm proud of the effort. I'm proud of Rohan. I'm proud of Shimoy. I'm proud of everyone. I think I'm proud of us being able to do all of that. So I feel like whatever, yaar. मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि so, and this is every writer, right? And similar for actors. This is for all of us. So much of our life now, unfortunately, the system is so skewed against you that any sort of control that you take back in your hands in terms of fulfilling, empowering yourself, ultimately, see, I've 100%, my main thing is to be able to make any sort of art, and whether it is some silly brain rot like our podcast or game show, any sort of art that anyone is putting out there, it is a privilege. You should take it seriously. You should never take it for granted. you should always put your best foot forward and not slack on those things, because that is the very least that an audience demands of you. And so I feel like just taking a few of those steps also has been very fulfilling. And I feel
Yeah.
like a lot people reaching out, watching, people giving support, people, you know, and all the comics, all the people who tune in. I think that has been very nice. So while I was sort of beating myself up a little bit about not meeting some of the
Financial.
financials and, you know, even otherwise not spending time with parents, so all the things that I sort of put on my checklist, which were work, non-work, everything, मेरे को तो यही था ना कि एक तो मैं पहले बनाता न्यू रेजोल्यूशन, फिर मैंने कहा बनाइए तो लेट्स फॉलो इट, तो अगर फिर नहीं तो बनाई क्यों है.
इस साल हम लिखेंगे.
हाँ.
So that next year we
Next
can do
year
like
we
a
should do.
checklist, a
Next year we
personal thing for
yeah.
us.
I should ask.
Something.
It should be for us internally.
Yeah.
I think we should ask Abhijit if he made those.
Yeah.
If he wrote
Yeah.
it, wrote them down.
But it's true about the control bit. I feel like that same. I feel that now with whether it's the pod or some of the things like. I took like a screenwriting class. I tried.
Yeah.
I have never written in my life before. I
We
tried.
made our short form vertical
Yeah,
series,
Chotu Sa.
Chotu Sa,
So for
which was
me-
your first writing
Yeah.
thing, which was so cool.
Yeah, I don't know if it was cool or not.
Hey,
it was
man,
just
look,
very encouraging.
look.
But
Whatever, writing and executing something.
I think it's all just a part of take the control back.
Yes, which we worked on with Vipul, who has been.
विपुल एक हाय तो बोल रहे इतना विपुल बोल रहे
हाँ,
3
विपुल की शक्ल
एपिसोड
भी,
से.
इसकी ना हमें फोटो डालनी पड़ेगी, फोटो डालनी पड़ेगी ऐसे
यहाँ बैठो.
विपुल शुक्ला ऐसे करके IMDb प्रोफाइल के साथ. But my point is, like, even like you said, right, with everybody in the city is a writer. Everybody has 10 ideas in your head. अच्छा या बुरा हो, लिखना is लिखना. Writing is writing, जो तुमने करा. So I was also very proud of it.
And you helped me with it.
I mean-
but I think you know, taking your power back, whether it is in your personal relationships or whether
Yeah.
it is professionally, that is so fulfilling. That is
Yeah.
so empowering, and I just hope we continue doing that.
Yeah.
Like you said, as actors also, मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ influence किसी producer, किसी director
Yeah.
को. जो अब है industry, वो industry है.
Correct.
ये मैं कर सकती हूँ. This
Correct.
is the minimum, bare
You can do.
minimum. जो मैं कर सकती हूँ. And
Yeah,
then-
and the main thing is I have so much fun doing this with you,
Yeah, same.
which I also feel like. So in a way, it's been a really cool year. And yeah, I just hope but this year we should put down some
We'll do that.
resolutions and see what
I want
comes
to know
of
like
them.
what your resolution, like what the people who
Yeah.
watch us, how was your year, and what are
Yeah.
what are your resolutions for the next year? But this I think is great, and I feel I would like to tell people also that
Sure.
always take your power back. Always don't
Yeah.
ever let anyone define your worth. Don't ever let
हाँ.
anyone tell you what you can do or what you cannot do.
Yeah.
अब आजकल जो आपको करना आप करो जो भी आपको करना है.
Correct.
Fail भी हो गए it's okay. You
हाँ,
fall
yeah,
down
it's
it's okay.
okay.
I'm also learning to do that. Like I'm trying to put myself out there, and I am very, very, very conscious of doing that. Like Gursimran, you will
I
know
think
this.
and you know me for this. I feel like I am just a believer of process. Like अगर हमारा कल पॉडकास्ट पे 5,000 व्यू भी आएगा तो ठीक है, वो 5,000 व्यू आया है. But as long as आपने process follow किया है and you've put yourself out there, that is the important thing. You
Which
know
I'm
that,
learning from you.
Which you know that about writing also, कि important thing is लिखना. उसके बाद देखो क्या होता है. हो गया नहीं हुआ. Important thing is to make it. And I feel like that's something I've been following my whole life. This year I felt like क्यों मैं कर रहा हूँ, मतलब मेरे को आता है. And so I was just like, let's try now. What is the harm? So I feel like it has been that way. A really nice year. Thanks to everyone who has tuned in.
Yeah, it's actually because of
It's all of
the
you,
people who have watched.
Yeah, who watch it. And I sort of like our little Chotu community that we've ended up building here. So when you message us saying, where is the podcast? It feels very heartening. It's very nice for people.
Where is podcast?
Where is podcast? Aaj I was seeing one comment saying, where is podcast? I was like, so sorry. Anyway, in this bonus episode, जैसे हमने last time,
ये
last,
bonus episode थोड़ी है.
जो भी in this episode.
पर ये year end episode है, so we thought कि हम कुछ अलग करते हैं.
हाँ.
तो
And पहले हमने सोचा कि हम awards बनाएंगे कि what is the best thing we have seen or what is the worst thing
time
we
ही
have
नहीं
seen.
मिला.
पर हमें honestly time नहीं मिला. But one thing which we did want to do is हमने एक एपिसोड में भी बात करी थी, हमने काफी सारे vlogs बनाए थे. ठीक है, in 2019, 2020, then when we were
काफी सारे नहीं 5-6 व्लॉग्स बनाए
5-6
थे
काफी सारे
जो
only.
हमने लास्ट एपिसोड में बताया था कि गुरसिमरन टूर पे गया था
हाँ.
तो जहाँ पे
अलग-अलग
भी
cities में.
cities में and he covered those cities and some of those vlogs I also accompanied you
Yeah.
and oh my god we were so मैं बस briefly देखा था you haven't watched
I
them
haven't
ना
seen
after
it. I haven't
it's
seen
been
it.
how many years you haven't watched those vlogs
6-7 साल हो गए
6-7
साल हो गया मतलब
है ना?
ऑनेस्टली जब से आई थिंक जब मैं चैनल वगैरह उस मेरे को याद है कि जब हमारा टूर खत्म हो गया था
yeah
एंड देन आई थिंक इट वाज 6 months आफ्टर द टूर
Yeah.
एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक what is this fucking content like it looks so like it was fucking terrible so I was like क्या कर रहे थे हम तो आई फिगर्ड कि उसके बाद से नहीं देखा है मैंने तब प्राइवेट कर दिए थे
तो
ठीक
मैंने
है
भी नहीं देखा है मैंने बस रियलाइज किया कि ये पड़े हुए हैं हमारे चैनल पे एंड आई वाज लाइक गुरसिमरन वी शुड यूज दिस इज गोल्ड लाइक
this is not gold
Of course,
this is
we are
goo
horrible.
this is goo
it's goo but like we are embarrassing ourselves only in that video and this is like you know before I was an actor
yeah this oh fuck yeah you weren't even
I
acting
wasn't an actor I was in a job you
yes
were
you तुम वीकेंड पे छुट्टी लेते थे अपने जॉब से मेरे साथ
to
टूर पे
travel
आने के
with
लिए
you and we
Oh,
we
fuck,
made
yeah.
these छोटू cutesy
Cutesy
lame
in our-
vlogs and
Chalo,
we
let's
thought
see.
we'll watch and we'll react and you'll get a glimpse of how we were like 6 years ago
6-7 years ago
6-7 years ago and I
Yeah.
thought it would make for a fun content
so let's watch some of this shite
that's just how we watch
no that's just how we vlog
that's just how we react on
Oh,
the
vlog.
vlog
yes yes हाँ anyway 2019 में हमने this was one of the cities we had gone to was
Jaipur.
Jaipur to tour तो हमने वहाँ पे this is the vlog we made this is I have not done a reaction video
so I
ever.
think right now they would be this would be
this
showing
will be
now.
showing on the screen तो हम देखते हैं this is my अभी वाले मेरे stand up special का नाम भी Lemons and Peaches है but this was the version of which it was pretty boring I don't even like this show anymore but
How
anyway
is it? Okay.
हाँ,
Okay.
चलें
Lemons and Peaches, Gursimran's
चलो
stand-up.
let's
show.
watch this after 5 years
Okay. Are you excited?
No.
I don't like to look at myself only. I'm so conscious.
चलो anyway
Vipul, you will laugh if you see me in this
Okay.
one.
okay typical Jaipur music like a National Geographic documentary
I like the music. It gives me very like.
why do you do this hello look at my double chin dude oh my god man moves max okay what are we eating today
तो होता क्या है कि हम आ गए हैं रावत मिष्ठान भंडार apparently very famous because they do
look at you making content taking photos even then
पिछले 2 vlogs के बाद लोगों का बहुत फीडबैक
I look so तड़ावा Gursimran.
स्टैंड
Was
अप
it-
vlog तो है नहीं ये तो food
मैं क्या चीज की फोटो खींचने की
तो
कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
से यही होता है comedy
yes
एक तो इतना गंदा ऑडियो.
इतना गंदा ऑडियो नहीं है हमने एक ही कान में हेडफोन पहना है
नहीं
अबे
नहीं नहीं.
बहरे
नहीं बिकॉज नहीं व्हेन द म्यूजिक केम तो म्यूजिक सुनाई दे रहा है बट योर ऑडियो इज नॉट क्लियर सो आई थिंक तुमने माइक्स नहीं पहने इस बारी तो
I
तुम
think-
ब्लॉगर बनने तो चले पर तुमने बेसिक ही नहीं किया.
हम इतने फैंसी व्लॉगर्स थे आई जस्ट रिमेंबर्ड रोहन वन ऑफ माय नॉट द रोहन देसाई बट वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स रोहन शिव ही वाज हेल्पिंग अस शूट दीस व्लॉग्स ही यूज्ड टू हैव वन व्लॉग रिकॉर्डिंग माइक जो
Yeah.
उसके कैमरा पे ही होता था
या
बट देखो नथिंग हैज चेंज्ड इन 5 years स्टैंड अप इवन नाउ इज द सेम फक कॉल फ्लाइट लो खाना खाओ साइट सीइंग करो टट्टी खाना खाओ और सो जाओ अभी भी कुछ बदला नहीं है और बट तुम्हारी डेडिकेशन मेरे को बहुत पसंद
मैं
आ
पीछे
रही है
लगी हुई हूँ बस के मैं
कचौड़ी का भी रोल।
कोई तो कचौड़ी नहीं मैं लस्सी वस्सी जो भी है उसमें उसका
Shit.
वो कहाँ गया मुझे नहीं पता वो कहीं नहीं गया था. That's like half of the things I keep clicking photos of. वो कहीं जाती ही नहीं है because my aesthetic sense is so bad.
Let's
सोने की भाव कचौरी है क्योंकि प्याज के प्राइसेस सबको पता है तो कितना
Wow,
इन्होंने
jokes.
डाला है मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है और बहुत खतरनाक
इसमें
मस्त है।
react there is a camera you are
I
not
was very
I've
conscious
not,
back then.
encountered any onion so
Let's do postmortem of the Pyaz.
let's do postmortem of the प्याज we are doing
टोटल नंबर
प्याज
ऑफ प्याज कितना
postmortem
निकला है कचौरी में देखो एक
ये है 10
wow
रुपया ये है 20 रुपया ये है
रुपया क्या होता है?
60 इतने में तो हमारा
Smith had
कैब
jokes.
ड्राइवर टू द होटल अभी कोहिनूर ज्यादा महंगा है या ये कचौड़ी
ओह माय
क्या लगता है आपको बताइए बताइए बताइए
तुम मुझे ये बताओ कि प्लान कर लेते हैं हम आगे कहाँ जाते
कितने काजल इन eyes यार एक भरा हुआ है.
A few moments later.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं
I would tell you I love checking out.
अबे पोस्ट में डलता है म्यूजिक।
Please say this.
ये डाल एक बार, ये डाल। ये हमारा होटल रूम है।
होटल रूम में एंट्री।
अबे पोस्ट में डलता है म्यूजिक। तुम्हें नहीं करने की जरूरत है थीम सॉन्ग।
कौन बताएगा मुझे?
काटो ये, फिर से करोगे।
मैं तुम्हें समझा रहा हूँ पोस्ट में डलता है म्यूजिक, तुम्हें गाने की जरूरत नहीं है, तुम कर रहे हो टेंग टेंग टेंग।
मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था एक्चुअली। The truth is, मुझे आज के जमाने में भी अगर तू बोलेगा ना ये, मुझे आज भी मैं टर्न
Bro, and where did we get these hats
तूने
from?
मुझे ऐसे बिठाया क्यों है यहाँ पे ऐसे?
मैंने नहीं तुम्हें बिठाया होगा, तुम खुद बोल रहे हो क्या कि मेरे को व्लॉग शूट नहीं करना है, मेरे को बेड में बैठना है। तुमने बोला होगा ये।
Nice room though.
Room is nice.
Yeah.
Fuck.
तू कौन बताएगा मुझे?
काटो ये, फिर से करोगे। फिर से स्टार्ट करो।
ड्रामा मुझ में तब से था।
ये देख म्यूजिक के साथ। What are we doing, dude? What the fuck is going on? What? I'm making snow angels.
This is very embarrassing.
What the fuck were we doing, dude?
Back when you could move your body parts करके
तुम मुझे
बताइए तो।
बोल रहे थे ये देखो फिटनेस। एक मिनट, कुछ स्केच बनाया हमने। वेट कुछ स्केच बनाया है। रुक, कुछ डायलॉग है। हमने कपड़े भी नहीं बदले सुबह से यार, नहाए भी नहीं हम। What the fuck? We're in the same
So we
clothes.
have landed from the airport and we have straight away gone to eat
Rawat,
Rawat.
कचौरी,
Oh fuck.
and then we've gone to the hotel because check-in तो लेट होता है।
Oh shit.
हेलो, लंच पे का नाम?
There's this place called na Spice Food. Everyone's recommend.
मैं इतनी सड़ी हुई क्यों हूँ यार?
तुम तो एक्टर नहीं थे, रिमेम्बर।
वहाँ क्या मिलता
लाल मास?
है? लक्ष्मी मिष्ठान भंडार में चले, मेरे को थाली खानी है बड़ी वाली गट्टे वाली। फिर उसमें वो अहमदाबाद में भी मिस हो गई थी थाली।
हम जयपुर आए हैं। जयपुर is famous for आलू।
लक्ष्मी मिष्ठान भंडार भी है, भी सब
I don't know
जानते
what you're talking about.
यार
मैंने
थाली
कभी
खा
नहीं
ले यार।
खाई। मेरे को नहीं खानी थाली ना।
यार क्या
हम
थाली?
हर बार वही खाती है। तुझे खाना होता है।
हाँ,
तुझे खाना है लाल
ये
मास।
हद हो गई यार, एक बारी थाली खा ले, अच्छा है ना, ब्लॉग शूट करेंगे, बड़ा सा आएगा, इतना सा थाली वाली आएगा, कूल।
हम बहुत थाली खा चुके हैं। हम हर रोज सब्जी खाते हैं। बट गट्टे की सब्जी घर में कभी गट्टा खाया? पता भी है गट्टा क्या होता है? गट्टे की सब्जी खाने के
स्क्रिप्ट
लिए।
बनाई है?
I am 100%.
हम जयपुर में
It's bad
ऐसे
bro.
नहीं रिजॉल्व
This
कर
is so
सकते।
bad.
We need to resolve this in a Jaipur way.
This was the setup. This was the setup.
मुझे
This
समझ ही
is the
नहीं आया।
setup.
क्या बोल रहे
The
हो?
setup is कि we will not be able to resolve this कि गट्टे की सब्जी खाएं
Yeah.
या स्पाइस कोट जाएं लाल मांस खाने।
Okay.
There is only, since we are in Jaipur, there is only one way to resolve this.
I remember this.
Oh my fucking god! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this!
हम sword fighting कर रहे हैं। हम sword fight. I won.
इतना तो अच्छा है नहीं।
I look
जितने
so
reaction दे रहे हो।
fucking weird.
अभी बताऊंगी मैं अच्छा है नहीं।
What is the
बहुत
point
तो
of me
so young
winning the
though.
fight if we have to still come and eat this?
useful, but
ये हमने ये तुझे किसने घटिया आइडियाज यार
ये
देख।
मेरा ही idea
मैं तो
होगा।
मैं तो चलो पब्लिक फिगर नहीं थी, मैंने ये बकवास कर ली। तू ये सब तूने ये सब क्या सोच के करा?
यार mad embarrassing. Wait, oh fuck! अभी 3 मिनट हुए, 11 मिनट का ये। Wait,
We can obviously like
हाँ हाँ।
fuck.
स्पाइस कोट का वीडियो।
आगे बढ़।
देखते हैं क्या
My
है.
name is Ismeet and my boss cannot pronounce my name. He calls me Smith.
Yeah.
I mean, how can you go from Ismeet to Smith?
हाँ सर खाइए बहुत टेस्टी था बहुत बढ़िया था मजा आया
पर बहुत मिर्ची थी भैया।
पर था मस्त आप टेंशन डालो
बट प्याज के लिए थैंक यू।
Wow. Call back.
प्याज महंगे थे ना।
Call back, bro. कहाँ आया?
शॉपिंग।
Shopping pre-show shopping. I hate this.
Hey guys, pretending to be very excited to be here at Babu Bazaar. Actually, I did not want to be here because the show is in 2 hours. So unfortunately,
This is before.
Ismeet wants to shop, and this is such
Wow,
an
I
uncle
made
joke.
one.
But I wish I was lying. So let's see. We're going to try and buy some stuff here.
When did we do this,
and
man?
then bounce.
पेट सूट वगैरह प्लाजो सूट वगैरह भी देख लो
किधर?
सामने वाली शॉप पे
और इनके लिए क्या है?
जेंट्स का कोई आइटम नहीं है
Gents का
Better
कोई
than
item
any
नहीं.
sneaker. Clearly.
You remember this? I don't remember this. What is
I
this?
think I should get it.
पेड़ इसके अंदर।
How much? ये हमारे घर जितना बड़ा है, ठीक है? बॉम्बे के घर होते हैं इतने बड़े।
ये कितना?
35,000
35.
1500 का दे दो।
ऐसा कोई
Are you fucking
डुप्लीकेट
kidding me?
ये 2 पीस बनाए थे
35,000 का तूने उसे बोल दिया 1500 में दे दो यार.
तूने देखा वो उसके लिए
मैं-
कोई 35,000 रुपीस देगा।
मैं शर्म के मारे मैंने पीठ करी हुई है सर की तरफ कि वो शक्ल ना देख लें. Oh my fucking god, dude.
35,000
पीस
is
बनाए
one
थे
piece.
30,000 में एक पीस बिक गया इसका यार 1 पेयर
35,000 for this, which is Yeezy बराबर है.
अंकल 1500 में दे दो।
लगी
I
हुई
have
है
been told and I have read that यहाँ पे बहुत bargain करना पड़ता है, otherwise they will take us on a ride. You think कि जूता 35,000 का ही राइस है?
Baby, but how do you go from 35,000 to 1,500? That is not bargaining.
I thought if I
That's a dick move. That's like somebody coming to my show going, how much is ticket? 500. 3 रुपए में दोगे?
Yes, exactly.
I thought if I say 1500 he will be like नहीं बेटा 5,000.
You nobody. How did you do business development for so many years?
बहुत अच्छा राइस था प्राइवेट ड्रामा
सर वो मैडम हर रोज बजा ही रही है घर में तो मतलब
Oh my god, what a fucking sexist joke that is.
And it sounds cheap.
Such an-
and it sounds disgusting.
such a uncle joke.
You are such an uncle. At least my humor
I
is
did not,
stupid.
to be fair, I did not expect that I would be this much of an uncle back
कह रहे
then.
घर में बजा ही रही है अंकल।
ड्रम तो मैडम बजा रहे हैं हर रोज अतुल खत्री मार के अतुल आई एम कमिंग फॉर यू अतुल आई एम कमिंग फॉर यू
Sorry, Atul sir. Oh shit.
ये हटा ना।
You bought some stuff or what?
We must have bought.
I don't remember.
Shopping is done. We have successfully executed mission Bapu Market and now we're going to Hawa Mahal. So let's see.
Oh, Bapu Market, not Babu.
We're not going to Hawa Mahal. We're going to have chai at the cafe opposite Hawa Mahal.
But also Hawa Mahal.
That'll be our view. That'll be our view.
Why am I so irritated with you?
Yeah. Look, we are doing some
Look
nice.
how much you're hogging. एडिटिंग तो अच्छी करी है
अच्छी
उसने भी
करी।
करी है।
हाँ।
दोस्त आए हुए हैं जो
हम
विदेश से
मजीद
आए
हैं।
हैं, जयपुर
रोहन नहीं करी।
दिल्ली लैंड हुए दिल्ली से कट के फटाफट जयपुर आ गए जैसे हर विदेशी करता है तो इनको मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहा हूँ
Talk in English. Jaipur is very colorful. And there are so many people out here. And
smell you like smell
वेरी डिस्गस्टिंग स्मेल राइट
spicy. My tummy was wobbling last night after eating lal.
लाल मास
Bro.
Mas.
तुम vlogging चालू कर दो वापस
Very
से.
famous place.
तुम vlogging वापस चालू कर दो.
we are
This is
going
embarrassing.
Hawa Mahal we are going
Hawa Mahal.
it is for Palace of Wind. Palace of Wind. Most Indian uncle also Palace of Wind. But this money
My jokes are so bad, dude.
सेल्फी विद व्हाइट
Oh
पीपल
my god, I've never seen a traffic jam before.
Editing me.
most famous traffic jam. Monkey, look monkey.
Guys, how many people
What
have
the
there?
fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What were you doing?
I was behaving like a foreign tourist.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
one.
This This is our expression for our marriage.
You have again become like Atul Gadri.
Atul market.
Again become an uncle.
I'm so sorry. Man, this was okay. To be fair, editing is decent.
Editing
For
is
5
great.
years ago,
The
jokes suck.
The editing still holds.
yeah, the jokes suck.
I suck.
We look like we are not had a shower in 1 week. Oh, some fan moments. Cute.
Guys, I'm very
Oh,
excited.
so-
पिछली बारी जब अहमदाबाद गए थे तो अहमदाबाद के ऑडिटोरियम के बाहर शर्मन जोशी की पोस्टर था, पर इस बार अपना पोस्टर आ गया,
Yes.
बिल्कुल मस्त
Yeah.
आ गया एकदम, बहुत सेट हो गया और मैं सेम ऐसा पोज बना के अब खिंचवा सकता हूँ फोटो.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, dude.
This is when you are constipated and unable to poop expression in the toilet, perhaps.
Oh my fucking god. This is
Yaad
really
kar
bad,
rahe.
dude.
See,
Anyway,
this is
जो भी
this
है,
is very.
सही है.
I had not
पोस्टर लग रहे
introduced
हैं.
the wonderful
Trendy
world
बनना
of
है.
nutrition
to
you.
my body.
So this is like proof for people that please come and
Oh my
take
God.
my services. Look how we are now. I'm being very. I'm
Anyway, जो भी
objectifying
है,
us
सही है.
almost.
पोस्टर लग रहे हैं. ट्रेंडी बनना है. Also, we're in Jaipur, so
Oh, look at me.
specific.
Super.
Sneakers
Remember,
for
I used to
Jaipur.
carry different shoes.
So,
I thought a fucking bougie
sure
thing to
some
do.
of y'all know Super Kicks if you're in Bombay. And Bangalore, check them out. If
हाँ,
you
I used
haven't
to-
yet.
I remember
So
taking
they
your-
did this really cool special edition
Do you
Fila
still have
collab.
these?
I still have these because the
Jaipur
Super
pink.
Kicks
And
team
they only
is
made, I think,
from,
what, 90
originally from
pairs?
Jaipur.
So
Yeah.
I have pair 69 out of 90.
69.
Excited about wearing these only for Jaipur. Yeah. Super Kicks, check them out.
Bar shows, my favorite. I
was a
still
good
love
show.
bar shows. I still love bar shows. They're the most fun. Audis and all suck. विजय यादव देख कितना वो लग रहा है. विजय भी देख कितना वो लग रहा है. जवान. ये देखो मेरा एंड्रू शर्ट्स बनने की कोशिश कि ट्रैवल ब्लॉग बनाएंगे और साथ में कुछ शॉट्स
अब क्या
डालेंगे.
रहे हैं ट्रैवल ब्लॉग में वो आप देखो.
ठूस रहे हैं और फोटोज खिंचवा रहे हैं बस. This was very funny and very. How was the show for you?
It was late. It was actually late.
Late.
Late? Oh, I thought you
It
said
was.
late.
What? I didn't expect this. Okay, like political तो सोचा ही नहीं था. और ये कहाँ से कहाँ चला गया? मेरा बस एक क्वेश्चन है गंबा से. केला खाया या नहीं खाया?
How was the show?
Awesome.
Oh, that's AJ.
It was amazing.
It's amazing.
Awesome. It was amazing.
उसके सामने कर रही हूँ.
Did you do AJ के सामने? AJ is a friend of ours who was in the video.
And that was his partner, I suppose.
Yeah, Anita, yeah. That's so
No
funny.
filter.
Yeah, clearly. This is nice.
कचौरी से स्टार्ट किया था हमने आज और
Bubu, end of vlog.
पता नहीं यार बहुत कुछ कर रहा है. It was just a fun day.
anyway लाइक करो और
It doesn't
सब्सक्राइब
look like I had fun.
और
I'm looking so सड़ा
शेयर
हुआ.
तो कर ही दो.
No.
और क्या करना है? कल हम जा रहे हैं दिल्ली और उसके बाद है हैदराबाद और बॉम्बे. तो
Wow.
हैदराबाद और बॉम्बे और
Fucking
दिल्ली के
blast
तो
from the
victims
past,
भी
huh?
हैं. तो हैदराबाद और बॉम्बे
Anyway,
वाले
this
खरीदो.
is it.
बाकी उसके
I
बाद
think we should
जनवरी का
do
मैं
one
बात
vlog only. This much is enough.
Enough?
If let's say
This
if you
will
guys
be-
enjoy it, then maybe one more time we can revisit
Yeah, fuck.
another one of our vlogs. We have about how many?
We have 7.
हैदराबाद और बॉम्बे वाले खरीद लो. बाकी उसके बाद जनवरी का
कितना
मैं बात
टिकट बेचने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता था यार.
for watching. If you want to catch up
At
with
the
the
airport.
rest of the Stand Up Tour vlog, please hit that subscribe button. Also
Wow.
press like.
Great.
थोड़ा YouTube पे बढ़ाओ थोड़ा आगे.
Wow, same stuff. Man, this was so random.
Can you put this?
Yeah.
It was very random. I don't know what we were doing. यार हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
क्या
Sport
कर रहे हैं?
fighting and all that, bro. And what is? Again, my question to you is, I was like an unknown entity.
Yeah.
तू ये सब तूने करा कैसे?
यार मुझे I remember ये था कि okay, you know my opinion on daily vlogs and vlogs and stuff. I don't like making them.
ये daily vlog नहीं था.
ये in a way daily vlog, ये in a way tour diary है.
टूर डायरी
Like-
डेली व्लॉगिंग हर रोज करना.
Like for example, अब जैसे रवि गुप्ता है. Ravi Gupta's vlogs I love. They're so funny. And even Gaurav Kapoor's vlogs, they're so funny because then they document their tour and they keep through their voiceover, they keep doing jokes, right? So the whole 10 minutes is super entertaining, super funny. I love it. मैं जो कर रहा था विदाउट एंड आई थिंक मेरे बाद ही रवि वगैरह का स्टार्ट हुआ था, बट मेरे को लग रहा है ना मैंने कोई जोक लेवल पे प्रेप करी है. सब में कंप्लीट अंकल, जस्ट एब्सोल्यूट अंकल. तुम्हें ऊपर से मैंने और खींचा है बिकॉज एक तो तुम यू आर वर्किंग, देन इन द मिडिल इट्स सो फनी यू आर प्रिटेंडिंग टू बी वन गोरा टूरिस्ट जस्ट फॉर फकिंग for just गांड मस्ती. I feel like कुछ भी बना रहा था यार, but it's so.
हम दोनों, maybe I was also a part of it. I think if
It's
I have
too
to do
funny.
this differently,
I would not make a vlog again.
why not?
Really?
Yeah, but not like this. Not like this.
I-
But I would keep it more natural. Like जो हमने skit करी है, जो होटल बैठ के हमने ये क्या कर रहे हैं हम? अब हम क्या करें? हम कैसे decide? तो I think I like that when people are honest and themselves in their
Yeah,
vlogs
yeah.
and not acting.
But we were.
We were honest, but
We were doing गांड मस्ती only.
we were doing गान मस्ती.
हाँ.
वो तो honesty था.
हाँ.
But जो वो 2 मिनट बीच में जो
सेटअप था वो स्केच.
Setup.
हमें था कि हमें शॉर्ट फाइटिंग तक जाना है, तो हम शॉर्ट फाइटिंग
Sword
कैसे
fighting में
करें.
कैसे
द लॉजिक वाज करेक्ट.
Logic
द
was
लॉजिक ऑफ द स्केच वाज करेक्ट. इट्स जस्ट यू हैड, अब मेरे को व्लॉग देख के लग रहा है यू ऑलवेज हैड
some drama
Some
in me.
drama
That
in
I
acting.
also
Some
figured that.
drama
I was
in
just
actors.
I was just more conscious
Yeah.
back then. I think now I'm not conscious at all.
At all, huh?
But उस वक्त I was obviously conscious. But I don't know why I was so सड़ा हुआ. I think I
Yeah.
was very conscious of my teeth back then.
teeth.
also.
Maybe it was that. I think
100%.
maybe
I was always conscious of my teeth.
of your teeth. I think post Invisalign वो better हुआ होगा. It looks like an Invisalign ad, this fucking episode. Anyway, all right, that's it for this mini episode / bonus episode.
And this year from
This
us.
year from us.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in, for liking, sharing, subscribing. Hope you have a lovely new year and hope you had a great this
Christmas.
year as well, and Christmas and all the other festivals.
Yes.
And we will see you in the new year with more. That's just how we talk. Thank you and Happy New Year from our
Happy
side.
New Year, guys, and Merry Christmas. And we have no idea अभी क्या चल रहा है.
Yeah. क्योंकि हमने ये 1 महीने पहले शूट किया है, but Happy New Year. The only time in my 20s I remember eating healthy was also because of when I fell really sick when I got TB. That's the only time. And I've had this. I do this in my stand-up also. So for people who have seen my stand-up, they will know what I'm talking about. But
TB. We should talk about diseases.
let's talk
health.
about health episode and diseases. So one of the worst things that I have gotten so far is tuberculosis. Right now, tuberculosis. And I do material on this. When I got tuberculosis, I was supposed to fly to England to study, right? And my whole scholarship was done and everything was done.
Yeah.
And I remember just casually, and now look at this, right? I have TB तुम्हें ऐसे ही एक दिन में तो होता नहीं है. I was about coughing for like a month or 2 months.
And didn't do anything.
I had physically lost weight and I was thinking, oh wow, मैंने weight lose कर लिया है, right? मैं तो खा रहा हूँ, मैं फिर भी weight lose कर रहा हूँ. I have
You
made.
were happy.
Yeah, I was very happy.
You were ignoring the cough.
अरे who the fuck thinks that you will get TB ना? कफ आ रही थी, कफ के लिए मैं गया हूँ डॉक्टर के, अपना फैमिली डॉक्टर. So now doctor has given me antibiotics thinking it's viral. It just so happened that at that particular point of time I had to go to the fucking embassy.
Oh, wow.
And the embassy people were like, go get a medical test because हमें तुम्हारे को student visa
my
देना है.
God.
तो if you think about it, अगर मेरे को उस time पे embassy नहीं होता, I would have just been coughing for 2 more months. 4 months later, I would have
been worse now.
That
for
would have
your
been
health.
worse. That would have been worse because the infection would have become
spread even more.
Would have spread even more because
God.
and the
See,
thing
that was
is
God coming in your way. That was God coming to save you.
the embassy. If embassy is God in India anyway,
you at
for
that
everyone who
point.
wants to go abroad, embassy is God anyway. But listen, I'm telling you, okay. Now, for those of you who don't know TB, ये भी बहुत crazy stats है जो मैं stand up में करता हूँ. अभी भी India is one of the highest TB burdens.
Yeah.
You know, two people die every 3 minutes. Okay, it's some kind of crazy stat like this. I will obviously double check this and put this, but it's the highest load. In fact, it's so high that it's so common, people still don't end up talking about it. And I realized when I got it, I found out TB के लेके तुम्हें पता था it's a बहुत trauma and stigma है,
Yeah.
which I didn't know. But my point is कि because apparently it was considered a poor people disease कि ये तो गरीबों को ही होती है, बस्तियों में रहते हैं तो एक दूसरे पे खांसते रहते हैं etc etc. So it is, and I
And
didn't.
khasna also is very funny because TB is not just khasna, right? Like we
You're
discussed
wasting
this.
away. Essentially, the body is, you know, wasting away at that particular point in time. So one, everyone was.
No, lungs का TB और भी जगह हो सकता है.
कहीं भी हो सकता है यार,
Yeah.
कहीं भी हो सकता है. But the crazy stat is, I have to tell you this, okay? Like, and I hope it has changed. So I took that TB treatment for 9 months. Usually 6 महीने होती है. मेरी they were very unsure कि क्या है, लंग में हील भी हुआ कि नहीं. So I took that treatment for 9 months. That 9 months is the only time, because you're like, no fucking outside food, no chicken lollipop, no Coke, Pepsi, तो तुम्हारी पूरी बंद कर दो. उसमें भी ना 6 महीने बाद I was like, मेरे को मन कर रहा है बाहर का खाने का. What is, मैं डॉक्टर को फोन कर रहा हूँ. डॉक्टर 6 महीने तो मेडिसिन हो गई है, बाहर का कुछ खा सकता हूँ. वो भी सोच रहा है, कह रहा है वैसे खाना तो नहीं चाहिए पर सबवे सैंडविच में अलाउ कर दूंगा बिना किसी सॉस के, सिर्फ सब्जी और हैम और चिकन व्हाटएवर, व्हिच आल्सो बाय द वे लेटर टर्न्ड आउट इज नॉट हेल्दी. तो मैंने 1-2 बार ही खाया मैक्स. बट यू देयर द बिगेस्ट टीबी हॉस्पिटल इन इंडिया एट दैट पर्टिकुलर एंड स्टिल इन दिल्ली. I don't even talk about this in stand up, and I hope it has changed. Man, after 9 months they couldn't tell कि मेरा ठीक हील हो गया कि नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि वो ड्रग रेजिस्टेंट भी होता है. मैं 4 डॉक्टर्स को दिखा चुका हूँ. हॉस्पिटल में एंटर कर रहा हूँ. हॉस्पिटल में ना बाहर जो गार्डन है वहां पे ना आग लगी हुई थी, 8-10 आग. एंड आई रिमेंबर आस्किंग द गार्ड, आई सेड ये क्या आग लग रही है. तो ही वाज लाइक, ओ ये सलाइवा सैंपल्स जला रहे हैं. हाँ, क्योंकि आप टीबी कैसे टेस्ट करते हो, आप सलाइवा स्पिट करते हो ना, उसको वो टेस्ट करते हैं. तो जितने भी पेशेंट्स हैं उनके सलाइवा सैंपल्स बाहर जल रहे थे
Hi.
एंट्रेंस के गार्डन में. नाउ ब्रो, एंड आई रिमेंबर गेटिंग मोर फ्रीक्ड आउट व्हेन आई वेंट टू दैट हॉस्पिटल.
What is the way of disposing?
I don't know, but I don't know if you should, even if you're disposing, setting it on fire.
करो ना चैट जीपीटी,
ये मैं ChatGPT करता हूँ.
गूगल रिसर्च थोड़ा करके आना चाहिए था.
ChatGPT
अच्छी
में करता हूँ.
इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी बताई आपने हमें.
एक और बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ना, वन वेरी गुड थिंग अबाउट दैट हॉस्पिटल इज अ गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, सो दे डोंट चार्ज एनी मनी. इट्स लाइक नेक्स्ट टू नेग्लिजिबल. को 10 रुपए की फीस होती है फॉर डॉक्टर्स टू चेक. बट हियर्स द प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज नाउ एवरीवन इज देयर, यू हैव टू स्टैंड इन लाइन फॉर द कूपन. इट वाज वेरी गुड कि देयर इज नो कि
अभी भी ऐसे होता है.
अभी भी
You
ऐसे
have
होता
this,
होगा
in a lot of hospitals.
हॉस्पिटल्स. तो भाई वहां पे अब मेरे आसपास लाइन में हर आदमी खांस रहा है. मेरे आगे वाला बंदा खांस रहा है, मेरे पीछे वाला बंदा खांस रहा है. किसी के पास मास्क नहीं है, किसी के पास. आई एम लाइक, दिस इज अ फकिंग टीबी हॉस्पिटल. आई वेंट एंड आस्क्ड अ गार्ड, आई सेड आप क्या कहते हैं, मास्क देते हो क्या? नहीं सर, अपना नाला पड़ता है. आप एक काम करो, आप घर से कोई लेडीज साथ में आई है तो उनकी चुन्नी बांध लो मुंह पे. I'm like, if this is,
But this was the attitude during COVID also.
agreed. But my point is कि अब कोविड में तो ऑब्वियसली ये होगा अगर ये इतनी पुरानी तुम्हारी हैबिचुअली तुम इसमें रेडी हो. But you know what I felt even worse for me, just to finish the story, to tell people, and it was I felt so bad. Now I've gone finally, line लेके अब मैं चला गया हूँ. मेरे सामने डॉक्टर है, no, he's a specialist, right? Give the doctor a mask. You where I am sitting is where the doctor is, where you are sitting is where I am. I have come without a mask. ठीक है, I'm still after treatment. Doctor is wearing chunni. I'm like, you're a doctor, he should be wearing a mask. I mentally in that hospital I was like, अगर मेरा ठीक भी हो गया ना, मैं जब तक यहाँ से निकलूंगा मेरे को फिर से हो जाएगा. मैं उस जोन में था.
Oh shit.
इसमें you know what the guy, and I felt so bad for the doctor. He had a chunni. I was like, मेरे पास मास्क नहीं है. The only thing he could say is, मेरी तरफ मत देखो, साइड पे होके बात करो. तो अब डॉक्टर ऐसे बैठा है, ऐसे, और जहां तू बैठी है तू भी ऐसे, और हम ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं.
Fuck.
वो मेरा एक्सरे देख रहा है, हाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप जाइए.
Did
ऐसे.
you not get angry?
I felt it's not the doctor's fault. You should either give the doctor a mask or some this thing, because imagine उसके सामने 50 पेशेंट आ
Did
रहे
you
हैं.
discuss this with the doctor that how come you're
No,
not
no,
wearing a
no,
mask?
no,
and
no, no.
Then how can you say it's not the doctor's fault? Maybe they
assu-
were supplied with it, but they just chose not to wear the mask.
I don't look if the I would imagine all doctors would wear. मेरे को तो जब मैं उस हॉस्पिटल में गया, I was like, this is the best. And by the way, crazy good doctor. Huh? Like literally what 4 other doctors couldn't figure out, he was in 5 minutes. But and वहाँ पे तो obviously government hospital, it's not like you can sit there for half an hour. They are like 5 minutes assembly line. I just hope the situation has improved there. But it is one of the weirdest fucking hospital experiences going up. ये बेस्ट फैसिलिटी, और इंडिया में इतना ज्यादा बर्डन है. बाय द वे, कमिंग बैक टू द एम्बेसी, अभी बड़ा स्टूपिड लॉ नहीं है. अगर तुम बोल रहे हो कि हम तुम्हें स्टूडेंट वीजा नहीं देंगे क्योंकि तुम वहां, अगर तुम्हें टीबी है वहां पे जाके फैला दोगे, ब्रो मैं टूरिस्ट वीजा, अगर मेरे को आज टीबी और मैं खांस रहा हूँ, टूरिस्ट वीजा पे तो आप मांगते नहीं हो, तो अगर मेरे को जाके इन्फेक्ट ही करना है, मैं तो एज अ टूरिस्ट इन्फेक्ट कर दूंगा तुम्हारी आधी पॉपुलेशन को.
अच्छा, तो टूरिस्ट वीजा में they don't ask for these.
We've gone, of course, no. Have we never they do
Given any health
X-ray.
documents?
No.
Oh yeah.
They just say you buy health insurance when you go.
Yeah.
So I felt it was really strange.
Yeah, that doesn't add up.
And so now in any long-term visa, because of the scar on my lung,
Yeah.
even now whenever I get a X-ray done,
The scar is still there.
The scar is still there. वो होता है ATV में, so
Yeah.
they always ask कि अच्छा
But
history कैसे होता है.
the scarring is there, but in terms of any activities, is there any restriction?
No.
Your lung capacity?
नहीं, मेरे को
चलते हैं.
genuinely लगता है. I used to feel a
Yeah.
before and after
Yeah.
in terms of how.
Yeah.
So I also feel that's why I get more sensitive to all pollution. And if
And
I go
altitude also in general.
Altitude इतना नहीं होता है, but थोड़ा मेरे को feel होता है. I can genuinely tell. So and then the other thing is I didn't build it enough. I didn't build enough capacity.
You
उन्होंने
can-
बोला
you
था
can
कि
still
आपको
do
करना
it.
पड़ेगा, which now we can. But I have outside of TB also I've had like very.
You've had some crazy diseases, and crazy hospital stories also. Like even like अभी देखो वो हुआ था, क्या हुआ था? Hepatitis हुआ था.
पता है hepatitis
recently.
किस दिन मेरा
So
diagnose हुआ
the
था?
only serious disease which I've experienced of Gursimran is when you got hepatitis,
हाँ.
and मेरी फट गई.
You know what
I
was
think that's if we have to talk about how you look at health and how I look at health.
Bro, you know what was irritating when I got hepatitis is that I have gotten hepatitis as a diagnosis. She is crying. I'm like, bro, I am the one who's ill. I don't want to.
I agree. I'm very, very aware of that fact. So,
Yes.
aware of the fact. I think before we go to that, I think it's very important to state that I'm better now, but for the longest part of my life, I've been a hypochondriac.
Yeah.
So a hypochondriac is a person who just stresses excessively about health and diseases. And what I would do is that अगर मुझे कुछ छोटा सा भी होगा, मैं उसको overthink.
Extrapolate कर लोगे.
And genuinely, it was, and we can talk about that later. But yeah, so I think I take that immediate stress a lot. That अगर कोई diagnosis आया है, then it will be the worst case scenario.
तुम्हारा
My stress for you was only till the time we didn't get a diagnosis, if you remember. I stressed when you were unwell, and you were like, you're weak, you're feeling tired, you're feeling weak, there is headache, and then when we got the blood reports, your parameters were very off. I
Yeah.
just got scared कि हुआ क्या, I need to find out. Again, that's the person who likes to control everything in her
Yeah.
life. That part of me was, I think, activated. तो मेरे को उस टाइम पे डर लग रहा था, and once we got to know कि अच्छा ये hepatitis लग रहा है, तब मैं थोड़ी ठीक हो गई. तब मेरा अगला लेवल का स्ट्रेस है, hepatitis B तो नहीं हो गया कहीं से. So for people who don't know, there is hepatitis A, there is hepatitis B, there is hepatitis C and E.
Yeah.
Most common in India, hepatitis A and hepatitis E, I think, are very, very food driven. Hepatitis B is sexually transmitted.
By the way, मेरे को लोगों के मैसेज आए
And
थे.
needles also.
And needles.
क्या देखो क्या आए थे?
कि कौन सा है? कौन सा है? I was like.
तो it wasn't like sexually transmitted, but उस टाइम तक ना मुझे पता नहीं था इतना ज़्यादा, तो मैं बस overthink कर रही हूँ. And again, worst case scenario, oh shit, अगर ये incurable वाला हो गया तो, and ये and वो, and then the doctors also were like, relax, ऐसा नहीं होता, it's A only.
Yeah,
or
doctors
E,
were
maybe, or
doctors
whatever.
sick of you or what?
I don't know, mom. I don't know. No.
Do you
पता
remember?
नहीं.
I remember two things specifically when I got hepatitis. One,
Yeah.
though, I remember I was feeling very weak. Okay.
Yeah.
And this was the day when I had to go and shoot relationship advice with Ronak's show.
That episode is there, live.
That episode is there. And in fact, you know which episode it is? It's the episode in which I am revealing Boo Boo and Doo Doo.
Really?
Yeah, it is the.
You're wearing a mask.
No, that was
No?
way before. This is the episode where I'm revealing Boo Boo and Doo Doo. I'm forgetting who it was with, but Ronak ने अब जाके उसकी reels डाली हैं. And I remember I was feeling super unwell. I was shivering, okay? And I had ordered.
I am surprised you were able to sit through that.
No, I specifically remember that day we had to shoot relationship advice. I was shivering. मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा था जाने का. I was feeling so weak. मैंने रौनक को जाके apologize किया था उस episode के बाद.
Aww.
I was like, Ronak, I'm so sorry. I wasn't funny today at all. I was just absolutely dog shit. I couldn't come up with anything on the
It
fly.
was a long shoot, yeah.
Yeah,
We were
2
there. I think I
ढाई
went.
घंटे.
Me and my friends were there as an audience, and I think two and a half.
Half
I
hours.
was just looking at Gursimran, and I was like, I hope he's okay.
And that time, I remember this. I think with you, in your hypochondria, like you said, na, कि you get stressed.
तू नहीं होता ना इतना?
मैं इतना stress नहीं होता.
When it comes to any
मैं नहीं
disease
होता
or
हूँ.
illness
No.
or.
तुम्हारा क्या होता है कि तुम देख लेते हो गूगल और गूगल पे सीधा बोलता है कैंसर।
अब मैं बहुत बेटर हो
अब
गई
तुम
हूँ।
बहुत बेटर हो गए हो, बट उस टाइम पे तुम पैनिक हो गए थे
Your
कि shit,
disease.
हाँ मेरे को भी लेके कि
For one day I was very stressed.
you were very
उसके बाद I was
stressed.
fine.
उसके बाद you were fine. But I think, and मेरा क्या होता है, I go into problem solving mode. क्या
Yeah,
है? like जैसे जब टीवी भी हुआ था, I remember going, okay, इंग्लैंड नहीं जा सकते, 1 साल नहीं जा सकते, okay,
You're
दवाई
so
खानी है।
practical. You're so practical with all these things. Okay, अच्छा कुछ नहीं होता. Why? Next step. Versus me, I will process everything. I will cry, vent. Why does this happen to Juzaz?
मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ? मेरे को क्यों हो गई
And now
बीमारी?
पक्का ये disease, worst case, worst case, worst case, worst case, worst case. But
हाँ.
I think I've worked a lot on this
Lot on
now.
it, बहुत better हो गया. Two very funny things I remember when I got hepatitis. 3-4 days I was there, and I think on day 1 or day 2, the doctor had come and we were living in Andheri at that time.
I have no memory of this.
You don't have, na? I remember having this conversation with the doctor, and he was like, "Oh yeah, lots of people from Andheri admitted right now." I was like, "What? Why?"
सब
And
potty खा रहे हैं खाने में.
basically, some sewage pipeline had
Again,
gotten
we
mixed.
were talking
Ye-
about potty.
No, the funny part about this is the doctor was like, lot of people apparently because some sewage and water pipeline got mixed, so apparently a lot of people got hepatitis, but it was nowhere in the news.
And we were having a lot of salad during that
We were
time.
having a lot of
so
salad.
that's why personally, like I think it's
Raw
amazing
veggies.
if you can have raw veggies because a lot of nutrient absorption is when it's the most uncooked. But unfortunately in India, मैं नहीं खा पाती हूँ और ना ही मैं
Yeah.
lightly उसको stir fry कर दो थोड़ा सा steam करके खा लो.
Correct.
But you can't. I mean, I can't afford to eat कच्चा खाना.
Correct.
Especially after that incident.
Correct. But you were such a gangster at the hospital.
What did I do? वही मुझे
You
याद
don't
नहीं है.
remember? Oh fuck! So this.
तब वही तो बोल रही हूँ. I don't remember. I thought you were
This-
talking about that story.
No, so I'll tell you what had happened. So they
Yeah.
put you intravenous. So on day 3 on the intravenous,
Yeah.
my veins were gone and
Correct.
it was fucking swollen. And
मिलता नहीं है ना वो.
and I was in a lot of pain. And I had asked for an ice pack. And I think the nurses, poor thing, they must be also looking at so many patients. So one of the,
shit.
they got 2-3 घंटे तक ice pack ही नहीं आया.
2-3 घंटे.
हाँ थोड़ा उनको टाइम लग गया था and then you got irritated and then you went and to the nurse and you're like we've been asking for so long why not give him the ice pack, he's in so much pain. So it was very funny and I was like whoa, like ये मैं तो कर ही नहीं पाता. I
ये
would
मैं
have
ही करती हूँ. हम रेस्टोरेंट भी जाते हैं तो अगर कभी खाना गंदा आ जाता है बोलेगा चुपचाप खा लेना है. Like no, like I have to complain. How can they give us this food? We are paying for it.
हाँ you are
मैं तेरी बॉडीगार्ड हूँ.
you are very actually
Kick-ass.
kick ass with this shit. मेरे से नहीं होता यार, मेरे से नहीं होता है. I'm just like हाँ ठीक है कुछ नहीं होता,
हम
कुछ और
लोग
खा
एक
लेंगे.
शूट कर रहे थे गाइस. हम लोग गोरिल्ला शूट कर रहे थे. हमने कुछ लिखा है. Vipul, you also of course know this. Vipul was again our DOP and we were shooting. रात के 10 बजे और परमिशन नहीं मिलती ऐसे शूट करने की.
गोरिल्ला में permission होती
गोरिल्ला,
नहीं है.
हाँ वही गोरिल्ला शूट. तो रात को हम रोड पे शूट कर रहे हैं. पुलिस वाले आ गए. ये भाग गया. मैं लड़ रही हूँ पुलिस वाले से जाके. ये भाग गया. I'm looking at Gushin.
मैं पहली बात तो भागा नहीं था.
Whatever, you know what I mean.
मेरा काम उस
तू
मोमेंट पे
कोने में डर के खड़ा हुआ है. चलो चलो चलो. अरे क्या चलो चलो बात करेंगे इनसे.
मेरा काम एट
मैं
दैट
और माय
टाइम
को एक्टर कशिश हम लोग ने जाके बात करी. वो कशिश भी तो भिड़ने वाला था ऑलमोस्ट.
कशिश का पूरा दिल्ली निकल गया. Look,
कशिश was
guys,
very Delhi, very nice Delhi.
मेरा पॉइंट उस टाइम पे तुम्हें बचाना नहीं था क्योंकि तुम अपने आप का ख्याल रख सकते हो. मेरा काम था कि हमारा कैमरा ना जब्त हो जाए.
हाँ, I'm an independent woman. मैं
Yes.
अपना ख्याल रख सकती हूँ.
Yes, you can
पर
take care of yourself.
मुझे ये लगा
You
कि
lift, bro.
मैं हाँ I was.
You lift.
I lift. मैं अपना ख्याल रख सकती हूँ but it's nice to know कि कोई और भी आके मेरा he's there, he's also
I am there, but I would,
protecting me.
but see, listen.
He was standing there.
मैंने-
And I'm like, sir, please, sir, मेरा audition shoot कर रही हूँ, sir, रात को करने दो ना, sir, please, ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ मैं.
और मैं
Please.
हमारे डायरेक्टर को बोल रहा हूँ कैमरा ले और यूटर्न मार पेड़ के पीछे छुप जा, पेड़ के
And
पीछे छुप
director
जा.
भी बोल रहा है ये दोनों कर क्या रहे हैं actors, ये दोनों कर क्या रहे हैं.
हमने सोचा तुम भिड़ो हम निकलते हैं, हमें कैमरा बचाना था
And
भाई.
director also is a friend and he's from Mumbai.
हाँ.
तो Mumbai people I think are very surprised when they see Delhi people in action.
Yeah.
ये भी है.
Yes.
Mamlesh told us later.
Yes, he was like हम तो नहीं करते ऐसे बात जाके, हमारे से तो नहीं
मैडम
होता.
चली गई. कशिश भी चली गई. हम दोनों का दिल्ली से बाहर निकला था उस टाइम पे.
हाँ कि अरे तुमने भी बात देखो.
कशिश हाँ easy. Look how Delhi he was. मैं फोन लगाता हूँ अभी आप करने नहीं दोगे हमें. मैं फोन लगाता हूँ. अबे किसको फोन लगाना है ये?
Did he have someone to call?
No. और मैं But sweet police guys were very sweet. And understand the reason. They were like, अभी आप लोग ऐसे कर रहे हो, बाद में
Yeah.
you know घरों में कोई लड़कियों की ऐसे फोटोज खींच रहे हैं हमें ऐसे नहीं सर, पर मेरा ऑडिशन है.
No, of course.
बहुत
ये
important.
let us clarify this that we explained to them and they were very supportive and they were
They
like,
said
अच्छा
कि
ठीक है
अभी
आप कर
कर लो,
लीजिए.
कोई और आएगा तो आप देख लेना.
हाँ. They were very ये भी हम
It's fun.
clarify
I think
कर देते.
Gorilla Shoots, we should do an episode on just how
How
what it
Gorilla
is like
Shoots
to
work.
shoot.
I agree. तुम्हारा ये है, तुम्हारा दिल्ली ये शूट में भी निकलता है, हॉस्पिटल में
मेरा
भी
दिल्ली
निकला था.
निकल जाता है काफी टाइम.
I think I won, but I remember after we got married also, the first time, and this is connected to when you were more of a hypochondriac, now you've become better. Like, I remember you had to go to the dentist once, okay? And this is how scared, while she is protective and gangster in terms of helping me.
I was very scared of dentists in general
Yeah.
because my teeth problems started happening very early on in life, right? Like
Yeah.
I got my first root canal when I think I was in class 4 or 5.
Yeah.
So my fear of dentist अब थोड़ा okay हुआ है, but
Okay
अभी
हुआ
भी
है.
है. Injections
अभी भी
and
है, bro.
injections also. I remember every time मेरे को injection लगना था, मैं जाके भाग जाती थी stretcher के नीचे. Because मैं इतना डरती थी of injection, I would cry. Till now, अब थोड़ा बेटर हुआ है, बट अगर मुझे कभी ब्लड टेस्ट भी कराना है, I want someone to hold my hand, like. And then,
This same thing happened at the dentist. I have gone with her to the dentist for the first time. Okay, I have no idea how she is gonna fucking react at the dentist. मैं बाहर wait कर रहा हूँ. She's like, no, Gursimran, you come with me inside. I'm like, you're the patient. I will sit in waiting area. No, you come inside. यहाँ तक ठीक है. I will come inside. I will sit on the chair inside the fucking this thing.
This is so embarrassing you're talking about this.
You are in the dentist's chair. Dentist is also like, हाँ कुछ नहीं होता, आप बैठ लो, कुछ नहीं होता. Dentist is about to do the things. You were so freaked out. Guys, I'm not kidding. She told the dentist, can he come and sit with me on the dentist chair?
I will sit on it.
She said, I will sit on his lap. And I was like, what are these daddy issues that are emerging at the dentist's office? What? मैंने कभी dentist
बेटा नहीं ना?
नहीं मैंने कभी dentist का सॉफ्टवेयर फेलियर होते नहीं देखा है कि ये मैं प्रोसेस कैसे करूं. ये मेरे
Perks of being tiny. I can sit on
उसको-
your lap आराम से.
उसको 30 साल में किसी ने ये सवाल नहीं पूछा होगा दांत क्लीनिंग से
So
पहले.
apparently this is what my deaf call dentist, who we have talked about before also. So he would also complain to my parents that यार ये इतना चिल्ला रही है, मेरे patients जा रहे हैं बाहर. इसको चिल्लाना.
ऑब्वियसली वो डेंटिस्ट क्या तुम गांड मार दोगे. अगर मैं वेटिंग एरिया में हूँ और तुम अंदर हो और चिल्लाने की आवाजें आ रही हैं तो मेरे को तो यही लगा ना मौत हो रही है अंदर किसी बंदे
You know,
की.
but all of this is funny now in hindsight. But when I'm going through a situation like this, my anxiety goes through the roof. It's
Yeah.
so bad. I've genuinely had to work on it. And one of the reasons why I also got into nutrition is because when I freaked out because of my acidity problems and because I freaked out because of my constipation issues.
Yeah.
Eventually, after doing like so many rounds of doctors and full on doctor shopping, and I don't know what all I used to do because I would be so afraid.
Yeah.
That's eventually, then I turned to nutrition.
Yeah.
And then I realized all it needed was eating in a certain way, having a certain lifestyle. And I don't need medicines now, right?
Yeah.
Like in terms of my acidity. You know how bad my problems used
Correct.
to be. For 2
Correct.
years, I was not
Like,
just this, there's so many things.
So many things. There are two things. I think this acidity one I specifically remember because we've done for about 2 years every doctor we would go to and we tried every specialist. We went to like whether it's a gastro, we
Yeah.
went to everyone. The gastro would say maybe it's a heart
I
issue.
would wake up with breathlessness.
Yes.
That's why.
Yeah.
So I would wake up with like this. So I was not able to figure out कि हुआ क्या
क्यों
है.
है?
And some doctor would say कि कोई allergy है. Some doctor would say that asthma, something lungs.
We got a doctor saying it's a heart issue. We got a
Yeah.
gastro saying it is a constant
Yeah.
GERD reflux है.
Yeah.
आप पूरी life
खाओ ना.
पूरी
I'm
life
not
antacid
kidding
खाओ.
that gastro. I'm not someone who likes medicines. I
Yeah.
would just avoid as much as possible until it's needed.
Yes,
That's
just
a
to
different
clarify, you're not anti-medicine. You just don't want extra. I think India
Extra.
में
I'm not
लोग
anti-medicine. I'm not
India
saying
में
कि-
लोग फालतू में over medicate कर लेते हैं. Is all you're saying.
I'm not anti-medicine. तो ये था, but मैं इस बात से बहुत unsettled थी that here is a doctor who's sitting in one of the best hospitals we have in the
Yeah.
country, and he is telling me कि खा लो ना, खाने से पहले एक एंटासिड खा लो
Before every meal, before every meal.
व्हाट इज द लॉन्ग टर्म सॉल्यूशन?
Yeah.
देख लो आप, कुछ नहीं होता, खाओ स्पाइसी फूड कम खाओ. That's not just the solution, right?
Every
कि
meal
spicy
के
food
पहले
कम
आप
खाओ.
पैंडी नहीं खा रहे.
And because I was so like, I was like इसका solution होता है यार, मैं ये नहीं, this is not how I can live my life because for 1 year मैंने antacid खाया. And you go and read the side effects of what
Yeah.
happens with like too much antacids if you keep eating, what it
Yeah.
does to your body in the
Correct.
long term. It's
Correct.
not the healthiest.
Correct.
That's when I went to a nutritionist and then she gave me a diet and then I started reading about it and I was like, and I realized that khana and knowing your body and
Yeah.
knowing yourself can actually heal. So our body has all the answers, yeah.
100%.
You just have to listen to your body and you have to value your body. Yeah, this is my vehicle, this is my house.
Correct.
Right? I'm housing myself in this body and I
Correct.
need to take care of it. And I realized it through those experiences.
I think that was the one experience I remember. हमने 2 साल डॉक्टर्स के चक्कर काटे होंगे and everyone gave you every
I
fucking
got
diagnosis.
an endoscopy done. I got a colonoscopy, another bad experience for Gursimran. But that was also my hypochondria, the hypochondria
Yeah.
in me, wanting to get like everything done, all the testing done. So I was like, मैं तो
यार
कराऊंगी
लोगों ने
ये.
honestly हम जहाँ भी जाते थे लोग हमें डरा देते थे.
But डॉक्टर ने कहा था ये करने के लिए
हाँ
endoscopy. and
एंडोस्कोपी और
colonoscopy.
कोलोनोस्कोपी का तो तुम बोलो ही मई बोलो.
Colonoscopy.
कोलोनोस्कोपी.
Colonoscopy.
कोलोनोस्कोपी अगर हम गोरों की तरह बोले
हाँ,
कोलोनोस्कोपी.
हाँ, क्या?
कोलोनोस्कोपी का मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ. पहले थे तुम फ्रीक्ड आउट कि करानी चाहिए कि नहीं. नॉट दैट फ्रीक्ड आउट बट तुमने जाके कोलोनोस्कोपी करा दी. वहां पे भी सेम सिचुएशन
डॉक्टर ने कहा था कराने के लिए.
करने को. उसके बाद हमने ऑब्वियसली
Because you know why colonoscopy? One was the acidity issue. Second was self-induced constipation that I had.
Yeah.
Now I know I'm talking about my constipation, but I don't like talking about it. It's not the way you talk about it. Mine was very self-induced.
Yeah.
Mine started again because of
Stress.
my stress, my overthinking. Overthinking of, oh my god, I need to fucking poop every day, otherwise I'm not normal.
Yeah.
It's a myth. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Every person has their own normal.
Normal
But
digestive
I
cycle,
thought
yeah.
about it so much, and it's true. Our minds are so powerful. I manifested constipation in my life, and I'm not kidding. Because the moment I got colonoscopy done, the moment I realized कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है, एक छोटा सा polyp जो निकल
Yeah.
गया, it miraculously got better.
disappeared. Yeah.
It disappeared. That's how I realized that Ismeet, you are inducing a lot of these things all by yourself.
वहां पे by the way just to paint a picture for you guys, colonoscopy से पहले she's obviously a little stressed, not crazy stressed, but I remember you were a little stressed कि oh shit colonoscopy कैसे होगी, ये वो कैमरा जाएगा, ये वो blah blah blah. Okay, थोड़ा तुम anxious हो. उसके बाद उन्होंने उसको दे दिया anesthesia. वहां पे भी एक conversation हुई थी where
Best sleep I've ever had, though.
yeah, you have fucking woken up like a recharged person. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ग्रॉगी होगी, पूछेगी, सवाल पूछेगी कि कैसी थी, कुछ निकला तो नहीं कोलोनोस्कोपी में, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आई, कोई टेयर तो नहीं दिखा कैमरा के अंदर. पहले तो बाय द वे जब मैंने तुम्हारी कोलोनोस्कोपी लाइव देखी मुझे बड़ा वियर्ड लगा. एज अ हस्बैंड आई एम लाइक इज दिस, आई गेस दिस इज व्हाट इट फील्स लाइक आई नो यू ऑन द इनसाइड नाउ. I know
You
you.
were sitting with a doctor
Yeah, I
through
was
all of it,
through
right?
the whole thing. I was like seeing the fucking camera movement. I was like, what is this horror film being shot? And मेरे दिमाग में तो cuts आ रहे. Anyway, I am imagining that you will wake up with 100 questions about is my body okay? Am I okay? You have woken up like fucking Kajol in Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge when she wakes up in Shah Rukh's bed ki Gursimran, that's the best sleep I've ever got. I'm like, motherfucker, you got a colonoscopy? You want to ask me questions?
I was surprised. It's the first time I was given anesthesia. I've never been like, what is the right word for it?
Loud.
So loud for any surgery like this.
Surgery
I
नहीं
was
थी.
scared. I was apprehensive. I was like, oh my god, how will I pass in? Like, how will I pass out? मैं कैसे sleep में जाऊंगी? It will be so scary. I was apprehensive. पर मुझे पता भी नहीं चला मैं कब सो गई और मुझे पता भी नहीं चला मैं कब उठ गई. मुझे कुछ फील ही नहीं हुआ. And I was like, oh, and maybe because I'm a light sleeper and I'm like, my sleep is not the best. I'm like, shit यार क्या मजा आया है. Like,
तुम्हारे हॉस्पिटल कांड ब्रो नेक्स्ट लेवल हैं. एक
acidity वाला thing.
No, when we were living together
Yeah.
at my place in Khar.
वो acidity ही
वो
था.
acidity था.
तब भी मुझे
Oh,
acid
yeah.
reflux था. हम खार में we were staying there.
My apartment used to be very
Next to Hinduja.
next to Hinduja Hospital in Khar. My apartment used to be in the building, which, by the way, in hindsight, when I rented that place, I just discovered how depressing it was
Yeah?
after I rented it.
Oh, you
because,
did not know?
No, because मैंने जब लिया, I was like, हाँ, this is perfect. अकेला ही तो रहना है. आधा टाइम मैं बाहर होता हूँ, बस 1 BHK तो चाहिए. तो मेरा जो विंडो था लिविंग रूम का was on the same floor जहाँ पे बस bro every time I would look out of my window it would just be one patient and I was like this is very grey fucking
Yeah.
negative energy in this space.
It's very sad that you didn't do proper due diligence.
I didn't do enough research. The funniest part is then we started living together. One night she's gotten an acid reflux situation, very bad, like she's being unable, right, just constantly burping, she's in severe discomfort and this is like some 2 in the morning or some shit.
Yeah, I was crying.
And fully
then
crying.
I was feeling very
Uncomfortable. And I was like, Ismeet, नहीं हो रहा है इनो से, this is way beyond Gelusil. एक काम करते हैं, हिंदुजा चलते हैं, emergency room खुला होगा, हिंदुजा चलते हैं. We have just walked
At 2 in the morning.
Walked out of the house at 2 in the morning, gone into the emergency room where there are 1-2 other patients. ठीक है, एक तो जब भी तुम रात को 2 बजे emergency room
People
जाओ,
are like having serious issues.
serious issues. It's a fucking scary thing. Both of us have shown up. You have sat on the bed. This is Hinduja, okay? This is a fancy fucking hospital. They have a bed sheet on the hospital. There is a tiny stain. Tiny stain. When I say tiny, I mean like imagine कि मैंने थोड़ा सा चाय गिरा दी, इस level का stain है. Your brain has noticed the stain.
And I'm in discomfort.
You're in discomfort. She's fucking not feeling well. She has called one of the hospital staff. Excuse me. ये साफ नहीं है. Hospital staff, I swear to God, hospital staff looked at you and were like, bitch, there is a heart attack going on the next bed.
I was like, I'm not gonna sit on this. They were like, we'll give you a pain injection because I was in pain. I was like, pain injection, and then I was like, but I can't sit on this. It's so dirty. You please change the bed sheet right now. What is this? It is Hinduja Hospital. How can you have dirty bed linen? Actually, I have problem with bed linen. मैं हर बार problem इसमें create करती हूँ. They changed. Those
They
people
were very sweet. They were very accommodative.
They changed.
They changed
As soon as they changed, and it was now time for me to sit on that bed.
And we were also debating the injection because I remember this exact
I wasn't
conversation.
sure.
Because she wasn't sure because they were like, listen, the only thing we can do is
Right
give
now.
you symptomatic relief,
Yeah.
which is logical.
Yeah.
कि अभी आपको pain हो रहा है, आपका discomfort कम
मैं
हो
वो भी
जाएगा.
judge कर रही थी.
And you were like, but I don't know. Explain to me what is the long term. And they were like, ma'am, right now we're just looking
Yeah,
at.
I go into this heavy question answer thing with. So I need to understand everything
Yes.
why, which I think is right.
Which is correct.
We don't ask enough questions.
Yes, which is correct.
तो anyway, तो ये सब conversation हो रही है and I'm contemplating चलो कर लेते हैं discomfort and right before I'm about to sit on that bed I puke. और उनका पूरा हॉस्पिटल तो मैंने गंदा कर दिया एक्चुअली अगर देखा जाए बेड पे तो नहीं गिरा ना फ्लोर पे गिरा था.
No. She puked on the floor.
And suddenly I felt better.
And I am apologizing to the nurses. And the other nurses are now looking at whatever the other serious case was there. Because clearly we were the least serious case there. And then Ismeet goes, अब मैं ठीक फील कर रही हूँ. चले? And we have paid and walked out. You have gone. So I will remember telling Ismeet that night. I said, you have gone into an emergency room, chastised them for a stain on the bed sheet, argued with a doctor about whether you should get an injection or not, puked, and come back home and said, I'm feeling great now.
Yeah, I was feeling great though. Oh.
तेरे को ना बैन कर देंगे वो हॉस्पिटल से हिंदुजा वाले.
Yeah, that happened. It was so funny. But for some reason, as soon as I puked, मैं एकदम ठीक हो
तेरा
गया.
discomfort ठीक हो गया. Proving your point that you didn't need a pain injection
I
if you
didn't need
think
it.
about it.
Thank God. But speaking of hypochondria, I think the defining moment for me when I realized that I genuinely have a problem, it's not something which I use lightly, this word,
Yeah.
was during COVID. was during COVID when I woke up one day and my fingers were so stiff. I wasn't able to,
hold anything.
hold anything. I wasn't able to hold तो हो रहा था, but I wasn't able to move my fingers. Every morning it would start like this. And अब क्या था? It was that कुछ नहीं हुआ था मुझे. In hindsight, of course, I realized.
Yeah.
During COVID, there was no help, house help. तो हम सारा काम खुद कर रहे थे. And back then I was not exercising.
Yeah.
There was just, I had recently quit my job to pursue acting and COVID हो गया था. So there were too many changes all of a sudden that happened and I have tiny wrists. तो मैंने realize नहीं किया, but बर्तन धोते आप खाना
And
बना
you
रहे
were
हो.
cooking so much at cast iron pans which were fucking heavy and you
so
have very
I
small
didn't
wrists.
realize that maybe my fingers injure हो गया थोड़ा
They were
सा,
not used to it.
inflammation हो गया. हाँ, but in my mind, I googled stiff fingers and I was convinced that I have rheumatoid arthritis.
Yeah.
Now that's an autoimmune condition. It gets very severe eventually and
Yeah.
it's just bad. And now what happened was when I read about arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, I read that blood test में ना 3 महीने तक report आपको
आती
positive
नहीं.
अगर है भी तो positive नहीं आएगी. तो ऑल द मोर कन्फर्मेशन बायस हो गया मेरे दिमाग में कि हाँ ब्लड टेस्ट में तो 3 महीने के
Negative ही
बाद
आएगा.
आएगा, अभी तो आएगा ही नहीं. एंड आई जस्ट वेंट इनटू
A very bad spiral.
very bad cycle of every morning I would wake up, my fingers would be stiff, I would get a panic attack, I would try talking to you, and it was a very bad time for my mental health, and it was a very bad time for the whole country for a lot
Yeah,
of
of
reasons.
course.
So I'm not like
Yeah.
minimizing anyone else's
Of course.
pain because people have gone through worse.
Worse, way
But
worse.
I can just talk about my experience during COVID, and मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि क्या करूं, क्या इसका solution क्या है. And I remember because I would keep crying. I would keep crying the whole day. I would be like, no, this is nobody's believing me. Nobody's like listening to me. And I would try telling you that I'm anxious. I'm getting anxious. And
I
don't
was also
think-
at that point, I think, not that I'm very greatly equipped now, but I think I was not equipped enough to understand your spiral because my brain
Yeah.
thinks practical. So
Yeah.
my brain would always be, अरे स्मिथ क्या problem है यार, सारी reports तो negative है
And
ना,
that
and I would react angrily.
Yeah.
And because I would react angrily, then you would get even more pissed कि why the fuck are you reacting
Because at
angrily?
that point, I was so anxious and I just
Yeah.
wanted someone to hear me out, someone
Correct.
to understand what I was going through.
Correct.
More than a physical thing, for me, it was, of course, now I know,
Yeah.
100% a mental health thing.
Yeah.
I was not in the best of spaces and I
Yeah.
spiraled so bad.
Badly.
I was fully depressed. And you as my partner, I don't think you could understand.
No.
Eventually you got there.
Eventually I got there.
So I feel this is also such an important component of health when we're talking about it, our mental health.
Of course.
And what it does to you and what it does to your partner also.
Yeah.
है ना, मतलब it's new for you, it was new for you. तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है, मेरे पेरेंट्स को समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. I
Yeah.
remember I went back home, I wasn't able to function in Bombay at all. घर पे भी मैं बस रोती रह रही हूँ. The only thing which would help me that time, अगर मैं अपने आप को push करके ना आधा घंटा walk करने चली जाती थी, was
Yeah.
the only thing that would make me feel better, and that also just for half an hour. I would keep talking to doctor after doctor.
You had, I think at that time,
There was one doctor, Dr. Rashi, I think, who was like
like godsend.
like God sent to me at that time. She practices in Mumbai. She's a pain specialist, but like she was so giving. Like I think she also must have given up eventually on me, but every time I would be anxious, she was just there and she tried her best to tell me कि कुछ नहीं हुआ है, but what do you do after a point?
Yeah.
मैंने सारे टेस्ट करा दिए to an extent. मैंने जाके MRI स्कैन करा दिया था अपने spine and brain का.
Yeah, because you at that time somebody had put multiple sclerosis.
Someone had put multiple sclerosis in my brain. तो मैं वहाँ पे भी डर गई. मैं सब पढ़ रही हूँ. Google. You know they say, I think when it comes to health anxiety, that being too intelligent is a curse. Because आप अपने आप को इतना वो समझने लग जाते हो ना कि आप खुद ही डायग्नोज कर लो फिर.
And I think वही हुआ था कि I think all the doctors in their particular way were trying to help, but once,
But
yeah,
not all.
Not all.
Because I actually take offense at the fact that I went to one of the doctors when we thought कि कुछ bone related है, so we went to an orthopedic.
Yeah.
That man, first of all, prescribed me depression medicine. कि आपको इसकी ज़रूरत है. Now, my point is that, okay, maybe I needed anxiety pills, but then your job in that case is to tell me to see a psychologist or a psychiatrist. You can't prescribe just ऐसी medicine to me ना.
Yeah.
तुम्हारा वो speciality नहीं है ना.
Correct.
And if it's a mental health thing, tell me to go to a counselor to seek to work on my mental health. अरे आप मेरे को हंस रहे हो मेरे ऊपर आके
He
बोल
was
रहे हो.
laughing at you.
He was, yeah, he didn't take me seriously. He didn't take me seriously. But, and that makes me think about that women's mental health or women's health in general for the longest time was not taken seriously in our country. In our country, kya? In our world. Like, I found out recently that, मैं इतनी serious हो गई अभी इन सब चीज़ों में.
कोई ना.
But I found out recently that until 1993, women were not even part of clinical trials for a lot of
Oh
things.
yeah, you were telling me about this. Yeah.
Right, and मैं पढ़ रही थी इसके बारे में भी I think some time back, and just the fact that a major part of the reason कि ये law में भी हटा दिया गया था was that women of reproductive health को clinical trials में हम नहीं रखेंगे because एक कुछ trial हुआ था जहाँ पे there were some women who were pregnant and they were doing some trials of some drugs and उस drugs की वजह से बच्चों में deformities हुई. So because of that they said that women should not be allowed reproductive health. मतलब आप सोच रहे हो कि मतलब 13-14 से लेकर आप मेनोपॉज तक जो लड़कियां हैं आप उनको क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स में तो रखोगे ही नहीं.
So how do you tell then what are the effects of that
But
particular
that's
drug
true.
in medicine on it's sort of
till date now slowly I think women are like encouraged and women are allowed in trials.
this is similar to what sorry to interrupt, this is similar to what our friends were saying ki even for example most medicine trials that happen, a lot of them earlier used to just happen on like heterosexual white men.
Yeah.
Ki Indian jaise South Asians
Yes,
ko bhi
it's
nahi
a
it's a race thing
color,
also, na?
yeah, of course. Everything was designed, everything is in our country, in our world, it happens only keeping an average white male man in mind. So, and it's sad, मतलब बाकी, even if you look at a गाड़ी वाड़ी तो है ही, बाकी everything is designed for men. But health, yaar, matlab, it's
Yeah.
something like they're not considered. That's why people don't know so much about women's health, right? And our hormones. Another reason why women were not considered in clinical trials is because women's bodies were considered too complicated. Because okay, so हमारे हैं hormones, we have progesterone, we have estrogen. All of this is impacting our bodies, and
Correct.
then so but they thought that it's very complicated, so we will not consider women's bodies and mind. And आप जो भी आपने लड़कों का trial किया है, वही same medicine आप लड़कियों में भी prescribe कर दो. So it is so stupid. It is so irritating that we just haven't been considered. And even till date, like we don't have enough information at all. PMS and all, it's so easy to blame it on our moods. I think our moods are impacted by our hormones, that's true, but I don't think we are considered and enough consideration is given to our bodies when it comes to health and medicine in general. And it's, in fact, अब पता नहीं, तो मैंने अपने गेम में रखा था कि मैं तुझसे पूछूंगी as a myth or something.
You want to play the game?
हाँ, तो I was going to ask you this anyway in this thing. I thought I'll play a game with you.
Okay.
Of true and false.
खेलेंगे game भी खेलेंगे.
Basically, I'll give you facts and you have to tell me whether it's a myth or it's not
Okay,
a myth.
okay, got
तो
it.
उसमें मेरा एक question था.
Okay.
एक तो यही था कि कि women were not required to be included in clinical trials until the 1990s, which now we know is
correct.
true. ये अच्छा fact भी है एक. That one 2013 study found out that women with metal hip replacements were 29% more likely than men to experience implant failure because of anatomical differences and inadequate testing in women. तो आप hip implant कर रहे हो and women में 29% ज़्यादा chances थे कि वो आपका hip surgery fail हो जाएगा because testing लड़कियों में करी ही नहीं गई थी. ऐसे तो हजारों examples होंगे. हजारों examples. Anyway, next myth. That women's pain tolerance is lower than men's.
Isn't it supposed to be higher? From what I know, because of babies, everyone says women's pain tolerance is supposed to be higher. Is this true or false?
I don't think it's only because of babies, but no,
This is what I've
false.
heard.
The statement that women's pain tolerance is lower than men's is false.
Okay.
For the longest time, although लोग बोलते थे कि men can withstand more pain, but नहीं, there is a study, there has been a study which has been done where there were some 200-300 participants and they had like a proper system of testing. They were like some heat was maybe given to their bodies, etc. Various things happened and they were supposed to rate their pain tolerance and pain threshold, and uske baad they concluded that women's pain was actually our tolerance to pain is actually more than men, but of course our pain is taken less seriously. While I was researching for this, again this was not something I knew, but I found out that even the word hysteria, do you know the origin of the word hysteria?
No.
It's from a Greek word which means uterus.
Oh.
Yes.
So hysterical is
Yes,
Oh.
it was. So the origins are, मतलब आपका Greek mythology में and Roman mythology में है that womb and the whole problem. Like imagine if you're calling someone, you're hysterical. You're being
Yeah,
hysterical
hysterical
right now.
right
Let's
now.
just think about the origin. Like think about where it has come from. That the word has actually that women were considered our pain were considered a problem, and this whole word has been derived from this thing. In fact, a lot of solution during that time, olden times, we used to be कि ये पागल हो रही है, तो like she needs to have more sex. I will read out the exact thing that anything
What?
anything a woman did
हाँ,
that wasn't viewed as acceptable behavior,
हाँ.
it was considered hysteria.
Hmm.
So anything. So I mean,
Sure.
हम लोग इतने casually ये word use कर लेते हैं, but
correct.
कुछ भी अगर acceptable नहीं ना, what were the symptoms? Okay, the symptoms were whether it's swollen abdomen, if you're having chest pain, excessive emotions, increased or even decreased sex drive was considered hysterical when it came to women. When it came to women, increased appetite, increased heart rate, ये सब
Increased appetite?
basically you could not what do you say, attribute any of these symptoms to any of the diseases, and you would just label it as
अच्छा, so if you,
hysteria,
because you can't diagnose anything, hysteria डालो
disease
और
of the womb, the disease of the uterus.
तो sex करो.
So many other issues. Now, देखो, over the years, treatment for this condition ranged from pelvic massage to forcing the woman to orgasm to release excess fluid. They would force women to orgasm to release excess fluid. Leeches on the abdomen to reduce the blood in the womb, and even marriage was considered a solution. It was also
Marriage is
encouraged
considered a
sex,
solution even now.
for sexual intercourse.
Which is considered
But back
solution
then,
even now.
when you're looking at it as a problem, imagine. So even women who were, let's say, who were widows or who were not married, they were encouraged to remarry ताकि उनका thinking था कि इनका hysteria कम हो जाएगा. Greek. So मैं बहुत like it's patriarchy, all of it. Actually, I feel like it will take years and generations of conditioning and relearning for people to change. Because honestly, I have used the word hysteria and I've used the word hysterical
also use hysterical.
casually
I've also
without
used it
realizing
casually.
that, oh my God, look at the
I've also
origins
used it
of
casually.
the word. Marriage was Freud's input on this whole hysteria phenomena, and he believed that the cause of it was the woman's loss of her metaphoric penis.
एक तो फ्रॉइड को तो बहन जो हर चीज में सेक्स ही कराना है ना, मम्मी से सेक्स करा दो
Although my
फ्रॉइड.
sister is a psychologist and I was discussing this with her also, and she also said that Freud बहुत misinterpret भी हुआ है. So I can't comment on it because we don't know enough, but I'm just telling you
Sure.
from whatever little research that I read, some
Sure.
articles online, was that so
Did you know Freud was the inventor of the word MILF?
what?
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Sorry. See, Freud can be
It was
misinterpreted.
Freud only Freud.
Fried. तुम्हारे दिमाग में फ्राइड राइस आ गया.
फ्रॉइड ने मेरा
भूख लग
दिमाग
रही थी.
फ्राई कर दिया है. फ्रॉइड का था ना इडियोपस कॉम्प्लेक्स,
हाँ.
तभी तुम मिल्फ कह रहे हो.
हाँ.
You thought about it like that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, your brain works very fast, Gursimran. वो joke बोलना सिखाना लिखाना दिखना सिखा दे यार. Nice joke, that was very nice.
All right, that's it for this episode of That's Just How We Talk. Lots of hospital stories in this one. Hope you had fun. Please share your weird hospital experiences and all other random things that we have talked about. If you all agree, disagree, whatever you feel. Like, share, subscribe, and hype. Hype is the new thing,
Hype.
Smith. And hype. All right. See you
हमने
next time.
शाहरुख खान की हेल्थ के बारे में डिस्कस नहीं किया.
Next episode.
Next time.
Bye bye.
That's just how we talk.
so mad.